UGWUMBA. Couple one for. Oh, bazooka gonna. When my bazooka, eji bazooka abali amotka, eji bazooka abali ono. You know, when the enemy no longer hard cover. You know, oh bazooka ki eji we pop. Abali ever. So this boy was the bazooka gun. He had only one bomb. So that day, Okunile, that morning, why the other soldiers there, I think 18 battalion or so. Whatever that now, run on Allah, who will hit here one Nigerian armored car. Now that day, now sir, see Onisha, Batabo Gidi, precisely be Chino Achebeva, Ugunwa Sike. So as they came up, William, so Owebia, our boys, in my armored car, power, now, but our boys, now could be me withdraw. This boy, Webata, we shadowed, we ran. Well, the only bomb, pop, or hit here. And in my armored car on you. So, armored car was between Nausa and the Biafra. So our boys were rallying around. Meanwhile, April, all of a sudden, I took Nausa and recovered that Saladin. But in the course of that battle, about this book, my Abanishi, couple one. So, one bully from Ogidi, the armored car, there, Umudike, research and production, Umudike, there, those is so I said, so Ojuguva, now, can I have a Agago motor? Now, I go, couple one. Well, at least by the ever more there. But the third personalities who handle this armored car for Biafra. Open I boss. One I can't know of a couple of us. Because one, you know, I know the armored car. 3 of us. I remember there was Roland. Roland was Nigerian Reiki personnel. He was the second in the course, IML course. It was completely theory. So I had never seen an armored car before. This was the first armored car I saw. At the time I named a course, I copped already. So we're doing the course theory. I was the best student. So at the end of it, just as we were rounding up, I captured Eva. So I'm Biafra. So I told the commander was there, the driver was Pampas already, crazy Pampas. When you come, chai, I go. So and I told you I was the best student, but I was no experience. I never fought before. Never said I'm not car. So General Amadi was patrol when you name more experience. So I had to force I see what that's you know my armored cars or bata. So I was still there. I said, you want to go? I said, I want to go. You are volunteering, yes. I'll be Chim Avenue. Menu. Major Jesse Ojuku, oh, no, okay, crazy guy. Now, where's the bomb matter? Now, a very good man. Jesse Ban. So eventually, I enjoyed the operation. I was to be the third gunner. They needed only one gun. 1, 2. So guys, and the other 2 who joined. When I had that, where Chineke because these 2 men, this God, put fear in this man. I wanted to be in that armored car, with or without experience. So they were sweating. and shivering. And I go for the piano can give. So I gave them 60 seconds. Where jump around from Land Rover, where Barrow. The driver chobu kamun ochom kamuni anwo. So go from that is that obiang Jupiter. So I went and that was we recaptured Oba Junction. Oga come follow first Colonel Onwatwe, Timothy, Ifeanyi Onwatwe. That day going line made he promoted us, made sure I'm second lieutenant. Of course of one on that day. So, you know, then the information got to commanding officer Jesse UGWUMBA. She said, well, about no one did all that. That was how I can't see where buying a cup of water. Ordinarily, I wasn't on board, I suppose, able to go there. But, I told me, it prompted my mother. And other IGBO mothers and the Calabar, everybody who was, I know. So that was that was the genesis. So I can't say video. And I gave the commander. And I'm battered under fire too. Pampas, but also reverse. Give me reverse. Over the cab also. Pampas, move way forward. Move left. Come from the very rough movement. So, you disobey. I mean, militarily, it was like mutiny. But two of us against him, we wanted underline wrong. So eventually, I relegated to the background. So that and me quickly check out. I'm only mentioning the two of us. Pampas, money and about. So I'm one with the third personality. So that was the tripartite 3 in 1. I broke out Trinity, but Eboma. Well, I got maybe Eboman. No, well, Eboma. Uguta towards Ahoda. Eboma. And see, somebody in my dream work at the Kun. Keep name with him, manager, petrol. All we needed was crude oil. At that point, we lost. We had lost the last oil field, which was Eboma. Fuel, Biafra. So, UGWUMBA organized here can recover Eboma. This kind with the crude oil. And you and I send them to Obako.
No,
I played a couple one for Bulia and go Obako. I Larona, oh, Mamma. She, our Mamma, where piano. We can't cut it so short. We captured night. I captured so I know I can give over it. Militarily, I'm only your manner. Fuel, I don't have Biafra. I know where I'm a so I think I buy fuel. The Bulai on Minister of Works, Leyland, or Mark Trail and a boy, and Shell BP that Mark and a boy, and not come when we fall, say, put a line in this Leyland, Minister of Work. The man Bulai, and I want an operation, it was 7 or 8. Now the man 9 and motor, an elderly man, I said, one now, I will move with motor. I said, my son. It's always better to be late than delayed. Then I'm looking here. I'm not pampered, I know. So he took his time. By the time I knew a butcher, it was already 9 o'clock. I had to lure on the war front. Colonel Asoya was the man in charge. Colonel Asoya. And Wash. So, as far as I can learn this one by that, I have to go late already. I can't get Brigadier Adekule. I found this morning. So we got there. Then we go the first operation. Unsuccessfully made the second one. That one didn't work. So guy, but on our bam, we're getting Messiah. Even when this is the earliest we could have come. Kedibe Melosina, there's boys, I'm with China, but I'm about to go one store. Yeah, Madonna, so failure was a 5. Yeah, just drop fire, open or fire, Rapozio. See, that's what I'm just so I'm put there. So I'm saying 5 minutes open fire. So I'm going to maybe only one TV man. I found one now they are boss. Dog also on one tree. You go tree. Machine gun on the right side, machine gun on the left hand side. So they buy from the right flank. Oh shit, bro! He try out from the left flank. Move ship. So maybe can see motor. Near that tree. So, that's what she said. I knew you can't put more than to water. That is straight. No. He was the first person to run. Also, and he was the first person to die too. It's a long story now. So over in 10 minutes, I'm on the oil field, a woman. We recapture IGBO. I can on the oil field. I'm on one engineer. Start IGBO. I can finish runner. I can run the oil field. I can recover the place. A bit of the thing. With pump over. IGBO Diego.